Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Global Nature-Based Solutions. A report launched at COP16 in Riyadh highlights India's Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme as a key contributor to global nature-based solutions, NBS employment. Asia-Pacific accounts for 93 to 95% of global NBS jobs, with India leading through Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme initiatives. The report, co-authored by ILO and IUCN, underlines the role of NBS in tackling climate change and creating jobs. Now, before moving to the next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS in Noida presents the IASGS Foundation Prelims plus Mains course. The first offline batch is now open in English medium. Join us on 12th December for the English medium batch at 6 p.m. The classes will be held at C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, just a short walk from the Noida Sector 15 metro station. For more details, call us at 9311406440. Don't miss this opportunity to take the first step toward your IAS journey with Drishti IAS. Now let's discuss about key highlights of the report, Global Impact. NBS employs 59 million people globally, with over half being women. India's contribution. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme accounts for 95% of global NBS jobs and 85 to 87% of full-time employment, FTE. Regional disparity. High-income countries contribute 57% of NBS spending, while Asia-Pacific leads in job creation. Skill development. Workforce upskilling, including AI and geospatial analysis, is vital for expanding NBS employment. Now let's talk about role of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme in NBS. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme focuses on projects that restore and manage ecosystems, aligning with NBS objectives. Provides employment in rural areas, addressing economic vulnerability while enhancing climate resilience. Encourages community involvement in sustainable infrastructure and nature-based development projects. Positions India as a global leader in implementing scalable NBS solutions for climate and biodiversity challenges. It's time to test your knowledge, and the question is, which scheme in India is a major contributor to global NBS employment? A. PM Kisan. B. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. C. Jal Jeevan Mission. D. Swachh Bharat Mission.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.